My name's Ashley Chiwaya. I come from Osaka and I'm doing automotive engineering test level 3. I come from a family of 7, 2 girls, 5 boys, and I'm number 6. I completed my secondary school in 2016 at Hakandion Secondary School. I have a sister who stays in Indola. She called me, that she came across with one of the lecturers from Zamita. So that's how I followed up and I applied for myself. The environment is just okay, it's so nice, and our lecturer is so friendly. Yeah. Yes, it will. Because once I'm done with this skill, I'll go out there in search of a job, or maybe just volunteering myself to work. And from there, I know I'll start working. Yeah, in that way it will change my life because I won't be depending on anyone. Like I'll be depending on the same skill. In our class, we are 6 females. And to my fellow young ladies out there, I encourage you to continue with the same motive that you may have at the moment. Maybe you're doubting, you want to start doing the same course that I'm doing. Maybe you're questioning yourself, can I manage this? Yes, you can manage it. It's not that difficult, it's simple. And all what you need to do is to be determined in what you want to achieve and be focused. You definitely do it. The most enjoyable part of my program is when it comes to the dismantling of the engine in assembling. Like what where the car starts from when it's running, or maybe you can even dismantle the whole vehicle. You start assembling it. It's so interesting. Like I enjoy doing that. To the examiner, I say thank you very much for giving us this opportunity, and I ask that you continue giving out these bursaries even to the years that are ahead of us, so that even those people out there who did not have the opportunity of having this skill, they may have in future.